Hello? Hello? Well, I'm here. Sorry, I know I've been streaming for like, what, 5 minutes and I hadn't started. I had to go help my mom with something. I'm here now. Need to pull up some music. Any music suggestions? Get the PvZ soundtrack. Do the Plants vs. Zombies soundtrack, chat. Is Falling James getting a Steam release? That's not my area of expertise. Can I shuffle the playlist? Is that a thing you can do? Yes. There we go, there's audio. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Alright, are we streaming today? Oh, that's wrong camera. Hello guys! Just casually appears. It's very loud on my computer. Like my end. Alright, so we got a few things to do today. We're gonna start working on different APIs. I did set up a quick quiz before stream because I didn't want it. I was expecting this to take like 3 hours. It didn't. It took like 20 minutes. Just setting up. This is the wrong project. Handheld APIs. This project. Just getting the different APIs building, which they build. Everything's statically linked with GLFW and GLES using like Angle, which is Google's thingy. Thank you, Google. Big Sea Lion estimation? No. Dude, what version of Sea Lion am I on? 2025.3.1.1. Oh, I'm on a March last year build. That's really funny. I built it from March last year. L. Oh, this will get me copyrighted. Ugh. Not this song. That will get me copyrighted. Can I like remove zombies on your lawn from the shuffle? Ah, it's fine. Better than me. What version of Sea Lion you on? I don't know why, but something feels off about my computer today, and it's been bugging all day, and I cannot figure out what it is. On a side note, I don't know what we're gonna start doing with today. Maybe some soldering. I think we'll start with soldering, because then I can get out the way. So, camera's coming on. Oh, I flipped it down. My bad. Hello, I'm here. I need to move this over here, so it's like above chat. I'm here. We're soldering today. I've got all my equipment just over there. I'll move it like to this space here. Let me do that now. Yeah. Actually, I'll explain what we're soldering. So I've just got. This is going to be a pretty quick solder job. I've got dev board that's arrived, and I got all the pins. I already nicely made a little pin holder for them. When I say made, I mean I bought it on Amazon and then put all the pins in it. And Cam, I was watching you sleep about the bed lot. What? Not that's just my sister was house sitting a couple weeks back. I wasn't home. And I'm just gonna take a photo of it and pull it up on my phone like on stream. Yeah, I got socks on, no feet today. Just like... Why is the Plants vs. Zombies soundtrack in Japanese? I don't know what's going on. This is above my bed at all times. Then you can thank my sister who was house sitting at the time. Socks are not coming off. Oh, wow, stream delay is really bad. I said that. Okay, we're soldering today. I've not So, like, I did this, I can literally just, like, pop it in. Did I do that right? Yeah, there we go. Now I just gotta solder all that, so I need to get a hand cam going. This is gonna be the hand cam. Can I, like, get a magnifying glass for you guys? Even though I'm probably the one who needs it. I'm probably the one who needs the magnifying glass, but you guys... Can I just... Oh yeah, let's do this. This is way better. I will... Okay, that's what I need to see. Now let me... Have that exact same one, lol? What, this? The generic AliExpress board. What can I sit this on so you guys can see? I guess my glasses case? Maybe on the other side. Can you do a close-up of your face? Maybe like, no. My camera focus, please? My camera's not focusing, I don't know why. Magnifying glass and stand thing. Ah, yeah. I didn't even buy this. It's just from my grandfather. Like when my grandfather passed away, my grandmother gave it to me. This camera is not focusing. That's fine. That works. All right. My soldering iron. I need to move my Nintendo Switch out of the way. I need to organize my desk soon. Like, my desk is a mess of cable. Here's my soldering iron. Very nice. And solder. I did not miss your book comment, I just didn't read it. Got myself. I'm not sure what, I'll let you guys pick what solder I used today. Do I use some nice lead-based solder? That's this one. I keep it in like a 3D printed spool. It's really nice. You can even... The design was for one that was a bit skinnier, so I can't like put a side panel on this, but it's fine. Or do I use the lead-free one, which is in like a tube? This is lead-free, this one is full of lead. It doesn't matter either way, I have to turn on my extractor fan, which, where am I going to sit this down? Helps you think, you should use lead solder, helps you think better? I don't think it does. I think it actually helps you think less, so... Does that, can you guys hear the fan? I don't know if you guys can hear the fan on the microphone. I hope not, it is kind of loud, so you probably can. But, I'm probably going to use lead-free. I think my lead solder is a bit old anyway. I need to look up the best temperature for the lead-free soldering. I always forget. Sniff the lead. Less is more, so you think, true, if you had found enough lead, it would make sense. I think that's the point, you want to not inhale enough lead. And when it starts making sense, that's when you've got some trouble. What is the temperature for like timber solid? First, for tin base, 300 and 350. Okay, where are we at now? We are on 350. It's probably because I'm soldering. Okay, that's just heating up. It's actually behind the fan, so the soldering is actually actively getting cooled by the fan. But now we'll apply off. You guys can see my really bad soldering. Let me set. You can set your set. Yeah, it's got like a full LED display. Let me move the camera. It's over there. Like a full LED display. I need to wet that sponge. Good thing I just remembered that. I'll be back. I'm gonna go wet that sponge. Be right back. Sponge acquired. Sponge is acquired. It's at temp. It's reached temp. Okay, I need to apply the flux. Just gonna flatten that out because that might blow a bit. I'm gonna blow it that so you guys can still see it. It's kind of hard because I need to be able to see to work, but you guys kind of also need to see so there's content. So like this camera balance is really difficult. Does that work? There we go, that kind of works. The camera is sitting on my glasses case and my phone. Okay, let's put the shoe Okay. Myself. Oh, that's leaking. I didn't mean to. Can I suck that back in? Nope. There's too much flux. There. Start over here. I need to move this so I don't actually solder the clamp to the board. That would suck. There we go. I'm really bad at soldering, so like, remember, you can never use too much flux. That's what my grandfather told me. He's not an electrical engineer. He is a blacksmith. Well, he was a blacksmith. Isn't the lead meant to do the flux job? That's why I'm not using lead. And also, no! No, that's not how that works. You need to learn how to solder. Okay, I'm not using the lead one as well. Okay, let's give this a go. Oh, my hand is so shaky. Is that on or nope? I actually soldered it and then desoldered it. What was I hitting? Oh, I'm hitting the clamp. I was wondering what I was hitting because I couldn't move forward. Hitting the clamp. Can I like grab it somewhere else? Like what? Where can I grab that I'm not gonna like hit the component? I think there. That's safe to grab. Kind of. This clamp is like older than me, which is crazy. That's a bit of a mess. Need to heat up the plate too. I should, not just the pin. Yeah, I haven't done solid. Thank you for that reminder. Just swap hands. Heat up the area around it, and then I should. Can I do it? Chat, that is a successful solder. We did it, chat. I burned a PCB once. Ooh, that. I don't want to burn a PCB because this thing took like 2 weeks to get here. And that would suck if I burnt this one. More solder out of this thing. Help! I soldered it onto the board. Did I only get one? I did only get one because I'm broke. How are we looking? Let me look at that a bit better. Look at that. You guys can't see that at all. If I am getting there, slowly but surely. Yeah, I got one because I'm poor. I can't afford to get more. So, this is so much harder with the camera there. It's so shaky as well. Those look very real. They are, yeah, you can kind of see them. They are very round. Ow! I touched the metal bit. Ow. Stop trying to get me up to ask what DN is. I know what DN is, and no, I'm not using it to solve them. That one is terrible. Oh, that one is actually so bad. Let me like desolder that. Not even. Oh my gosh, I'm making it so much worse. Oh, it has been such a long time since I've soldered. I had to actually go to J-Car recently and buy a bunch of this stuff. Because, like, all my stuff was so old. If I just bridge these two pins, like, permanently... bridge these pins. Oh, no. Oh, that board is very hot. I need to get more flux. Basically, all the flux is dried up. I don't think I was using enough. Sniff the magic smoke? No, that's what this fan is for, so I don't sniff it. You have a sunny thing? I don't. They were out of stock when I went to J-Car. But just throw more flux on. It should fix it. Trust. That's how it works. The more flux you apply, the better. Yeah, I don't have like a desolder like production gun. If I just heat it up, I'm gonna do this with this free so I can actually see a bit better. That have I just permanently solved this? I need to heat the board up without damaging the PCB. Sorry guys, you can have a look at that. I'm slowly breaking it. I'm slowly separating them. I need a paper towel to clean some stuff off, like some fucks. What I get for rushing, chat. This is what I get for rushing. Yeah, I've actually burnt the solder. I've now burnt the solder. They're like scissors, like maybe I can cut the solder off. I really hope these pins weren't like... Oh, have I burnt the PCB? Oh, great. Guys. What pins were those? It's pin 10 and pin 12. Can someone Google what those are? It's like the Raspberry Pi, like, default 40-pin format. Someone go look up pin 10 and pin 12. See what they use for. If they're just standard GPIO, I don't care, I just won't use them. I'm just gonna start doing the other pins, I guess, for now. GPIO 15 and 18? No. GPIO 10 and 12. Oh, no, this is the odd side, actually. No, you're right. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. No, it's not UART RX. UART RX is up here. It's up here. No, it's fine. It's 11 and wait. 1, 3, 5, 7. It's 9 and 11. 9 and 11. Oh my god, it's like 9, 11. Okay, what's 9 and 11? I need to reapply the flux. I just remembered I took it all off. I really hope one of them's just a ground pin, because then that's okay. You guys still software as my main suit? No, I just bridged 2 pins again. I bridged 3 Oh, that's gonna be really bad. I just bridged a 5 volt and a 3.3 volt. Oh no, that one's actually bad. I can't leave that one. Before it cools, before it cools. Don't cool. I saved it. I saved it. You're a soft... What? Okay, I'm fixing up some of my previous ones. Let's see if I can fix this up now. No, I'm actually just making it worse. I need to leave it. If I just bridge a 3rd pin to that conglomerate. Oh. Why are you adding more solder? Because the solder grabs the other solder. I want that in a class. Soldering. If it's freshly done, if you throw more solder on, it can grab the other solder, and then it can end up picking it back up. And only for quick fixes, though. If you leave it too long, it becomes bad. Lux to the rescue. I might be able to repair this. I might be able to repair it. Lux to the rescue, maybe? I need to stop melting, so I'm like kind of going all over it. Heat it up. Why is my soldering iron cooling down? It's on 350 still. You talk quieter, you're a little loud. You could turn the volume down. Yeah, I'll do that. Where's my mouse? Where is my mouse? There it is. Is that a bit better? Is that better? They do not call me Mr. Solder. You melt already? What is wrong with this piece of solder? It's like fully cooled down and won't heat up. We got a problem. Okay, I'm just gonna go and do the other pins. We can come back to this later. We can fix it later. Do this later. It's annoying me. That was a really good solder. I am on the right temperature, right? Some of this is just not, like, flowing properly. And now it's stuck itself to my solder. What steel was useful for? I might try the lead solder. It might actually help. What's the good temperature of lead solder? Look this up. Lead solder. I'll give it a go. We'll see how it goes. How did I lose my keyboard? I don't know. Nice thing about this is I don't have to keep like pulling it out. I can just pull it because it's on a wheel. Like I can just pull it easily. On the right temperature. I can... Heat it up. Heat up the solder too. It's so transparent. Once it's in the pins, it's like the pins are stealing all of the heat. Because once it's on the pin, it doesn't. It stops. Like it instantly cools. I'll make sure I haven't damaged any of the traces. Like, I'm worried about. I'm worried that I'm gonna like burn a trace. How did you... The keyboard? You just asked that a second time. I've never done like this. Like, I've never done like attaching GPIO pins before. The lead-based one is working a lot better, I'll say that. Except for that one. I'm gonna try desolder this again. Yeah, it just takes all the heat. They absorb so much. Let's do XC30s, XC60s. Yeah, like these are just absorb so much. Like I can't. song that's playing right now is the best one in the entire PvZ soundtrack. Love Graze the Roof. Well, we've got some... Ah! Fuck up! Ow! That's gonna hurt for a while. The thing is, because I have actually attached some, like, I can't even, like, pop the pins back out. I mean, technically they're attached. I don't actually need to keep soldering. Like, it's in enough where I can't, like I can't push it out because there is enough joints on both ends. I should make sure there's none touching other ones. I'm just gonna verify that real quick. Besides that, obviously, conglomerate of 3 at 12. Oh, at 9, 12, and 11. No, the rest are touching. Yeah, the rest are fine. So it's just those 3, 9, 12, and 11 that are touching. What are they? Can someone pull up? Actually, I'll pull up the spec. What do they go out to? Ground, GPIO, and GPIO. Okay, that's not bad. Did they not sell with it? They didn't, and it sucked. Okay, it's not the end of the world. Apparently, it's just ground. So that ground is just gonna constantly ground those GPIOs. I just have to make sure to never turn those pins on, because it will instantly short the device. It will instantly short the device. Okay, I'm looking at Google. Apparently I can do this. Need proof will short? No. Apparently I can do this to fix it. Flux to the rescue, by the way. Cover the bridge in flux. And then what do? Reheat the joint. And just drag it through. That is helping, like, significantly. That's like really doing good. Let's try that again. More flux. I'm getting it out of there. I'm saving it. I have removed one of the pins. I have removed pin 9. He's no longer in the bridge. We getting there. We fixing this. It has also actually made the join look a lot nicer. I think I might do that again. Yeah, let me fix the GPIO pins, because that was a ground pin. Why do I have my solder out? Bad. I don't need that. I went from 3 bridged pins to 2 bridged pins to 4 bridged pins. This is getting, I don't know how to answer this. I think I'm getting it. Apparently this is the method to fix it. Like, this is it. I need progress. Okay, I'm back to 3, but like a nicer 3. Like, it's not like a blob. They're like clean bridges. Down to 2. This board is getting very hot to the point where it's actually hurting my hand to hold it. Okay, I've actually made this worse now. I've switched the bridge to one of the UART pins now. I'm doing it while he's locked in. Message retracted while he's locked in. I'm fixing this. I am getting this. Look, ow, burnt my hand again. At least I didn't touch the soldering iron this time. Yeah, I was hoping to get some software done today, but I've been soldering for an hour straight. Actually, like 45 minutes. I didn't get into stream until 5 minutes in. How you doing, Krish? We're drinking fire is, but true, actually, no, you're right. I didn't think about that. You need to like grab it with the cord. Did I say point? Yeah. I need more flux. I'm just gonna put a stupid amount of flux on. Flux isn't conductive, which is nice. Like wear heat-proof gloves, that's a thing. I'm pretty sure you got tungsten lying around. Yeah, I just need obsidian skin potion from Terraria. You guys can have a close-up of my hand. I think I've done it. Nope, there's still one bridge. And it's still on the UART pin, which is not great. Me when I want to communicate over UART, so I short my entire system. Is it UART or UART? I don't actually know. I've never asked any of my university professors. They all say different things. What do you guys say? Like some of them say UART, others say UART. Yeah, those two are officially disconnected. They are like cleanly disconnected. It's just that one. Where is that? You don't know what UART is? Surely you jest. I just touched the soldering iron. My hand is in pain. You are not the father. Because one of these is a ground pin, it's heating up every other ground point pin for like on the entire board. So like there's nowhere I can hold where it's not getting hot. I need to hurry this up before I end up burning like a circuit out. Like I burn a chip or something. Yeah, it is the serial communication thing. Serial port? Yeah. Like like Cocoa Pops. Chat, this might be a lost one. I may just have to order a new board on AliExpress. I hope he has a window. I do have a window open. This window is open. Like, it is an open window. And I have an extractor fan. This is an extractor fan as well. I will say the fumes are coming out the back of the fan and going, like, straight into my computer, but I'm sure that's fine. I'm sure that's safe for the computer. Fumes at your PC. No, it's good for it. I did look it up. I did look it up because like how close I sold it to my computer. It is actually safe for the computer. It's just flux fumes, like the fumes are flux. So and that is fine to be in the computer. Okay, that is unbridged one. I'm just about to unbridge that one, and then why is that on the other one? I just need to unbridge this, and then we're good. So close. I've actually made it a really neat bridge because I keep taking the edges off. I actually had it and then I put the solder back on. Are you kidding me? I had it done. I mean, that just shows how close I am to getting it. Apparently, this is somehow melting it, like, really fast. I like rubbing it. Thing is, some of it gets on the thing, and while you've been soldering, I've the statistics. This is why I prefer breadboards. It's because the head of the soldering iron is like too. What kind of a right? I prefer white. Apparently, I'm supposed to be doing this really fast. Oh my goodness, that made such a difference. Literally, apparently, it's apply flux, drag fast, and then just keep repeating that. The flux is like melting, is like pouring down. I need to like wipe some of that. It's not conductive, so it's not the end of the world. Like I could clean it up in the end. I'm like worried I've fried the chip, and I can't even check until like next Wednesday when my Amazon delivery gets here with the USB to serial. It was burning and stuff. You get no. I forgot to put flux on. Just a 1 billion flux to Israel. I think I've got it. Let it cool a little bit. That way the rest of the GPI opens cool. And then I just do that. $1 billion flux to Israel. What I'm saying is this is much better than it was before. Why are you asking to make a ripoff of this game? Just do it. And then claim that yours was the original. I think I'm just gonna have to buy a new board. This might be a lost cause, guys. This might be a lost cause. That was Proof started first, SMA. No, just lock in. Hey Doom, how good are you at soldering? You wanna do this for me? You wanna come up my way and fix it for me? Actually, Siri, can you live closer? You still in stream? Live closer. Can you just come fix this for me? Where's my mouse? I need to like Google something real quick. How much is like one of those solder? There's like solder remove guns. Solder remove gun. What was it called? Desoldering pump, yeah. How much they cost? What? 25 bucks. That sucks. This one's 15 on Amazon. Let me just double check my home address. Yeah, it's not. Okay. No, actually, my home address is on screen. I am glad that I am not zooming in. Need like a small one. Professional desoldering kit with desoldering pump and 6 wick. Cool, I guess. Oh, this is just an entire like soldering set. I don't need that. Need like a good desoldering pump. How do these actually work? I don't actually know. Yeah, I've never used one. The JS is not better than C. I'm sorry, that's wrong. Okay, I don't know why. This is Google AI's solution, guys. We're gonna see if this will work. If it doesn't, it's gonna be really funny. This is one of the worst. Exactly. I'm sorry, JS sucks. No one is gonna agree with you here. Okay, it says do this. Alright, I gotta go help with something in a second, but I'm gonna give this strategy a go first. Apply flux. There was a lot of flux I just applied. Okay. Put it like this. The drag method. And let gravity do the work. That work? Kind of. No, not really at all. No, I need to wipe a lot of this flux up. There's so much flux on this thing. A lot of it's burnt flux as well. No code in an ID main JS. Visual Studio does suck. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sea Lion's not much better, but it's still better. It is slowly getting off. Agreed. Were you talking about WebStorm, by the way? I don't know what JetStorm is. I'm assuming you're talking about WebStorm. So much better. Not perfect, perfect. Yes. See, I used Vim one. It was Neo Vim, I should say, not Vim. It was pretty good. It's definitely something I would do more if I was still on Linux, which I'm not at the moment because I have an NVIDIA GPU and NVIDIA drivers suck. If it wasn't for the fact that NVIDIA drivers are brutal terrible on Linux, I would absolutely use it. Guys, you guys are all wrong. ChatGPT is the best IDE. Yeah, guys, I think we're off. I think I'm just gonna have to buy a new chip. I probably killed the chips. Well, I think I may have killed the chip. Rubber. Every day. I don't think actually maybe not. It's not like a burnt smoke smell. I think it's just like a burnt like like a burning flux smell. Okay, I've got my fix apparently. But I need to let the Oh yeah, so apparently so I'm gonna let the board cool, so I'm just gonna do that by putting it behind my fan. tilt it up so you guys can like barely see it. Can you guys see it? Nope, you can't. Ah! It's fine. I'm just gonna cool it down a bit. This is apparently the ultimate method, according to Google AI. So take it with a grain of salt. There's a good chance this is not gonna work. So, step one, apply a lot of flux. Just a lot, like a billion flux. Step two, clean the soldering iron. Good idea. This thing is actually really get the sponge. That's very hot. Steel. I'm gonna check this out. Clean it here. Guys just chatting about stuff while I'm struggling here. SMH. Okay. Now, I thought I dropped the board. Apply, pull away. Apply, pull away. You know, when it turns to liquid. It's so little, I might actually be able to do this way. The way that I learned how to do it originally, like when it's fresh. Where is my... Oh, it's on the floor. There's an ASCII image, but YouTube says no. L. Lock in. Okay, do that. Heat it. Get flux. Get attach the bad solder to the good good solder. Try to pull it away. Bugger. Hit my thumb. It's good. Yeah, pull that a bit closer. We'll be back. I need to go get some Q-tips. Just let all the fumes go in there. I need to grab some Q-tips and some isopropyl to clean all of the flux off and then restart. I'll be back. I'm back. I got isopropyl. It's got a crocodile on it. This guy's pretty cool. And I got a bunch of Q-tips. Don't ask what's wrong with the box. It's a mess. You DM'd it to me. Let me check. It's cool. It just says 41 like. Yo, it's Ampharos! Yo! Let me apply the isopropyl. That is nasty. It looks like EOX. Like, if you hadn't cleaned your ears, I should say. If you were cleaning your ears, it shouldn't look like that. Yeah, like a dry one. Move my paper towel on. First lead, now alcohol. Sarah, can you come and fix this for me? I've messed it up. I think you're better at soldering than I am, aren't you? That fix it. I'm just waiting to hear a pop from like frying the chip. That's what I'm waiting to hear. I'm a dip. Alright. Cheerio. Why are you awake at 5 in the morning? Oh no. Falling apart. This all just fell out of the thing I plugged it in. So now I gotta like put it in and like the lid of it fell off. So if I take it off, put the lid on. Now I put this back on. There you go. Good night, don't get 5th-degree burns. I will try not to. At most, it'll be 3rd degree. do that to clean off the tip. Yep. Oh, I've rejoined 4 of them again. But it's like such a thin layer of solder. I don't know if you guys can see, yeah, like, yeah, you can see where I'm trying to get it out. I think I'm gonna have to add a desoldering pump to my Amazon cart. I'm gonna try something. Can I like lift that back? Yeah, so I think it's like it might be bad. That's what it said to do. It said heat it up till it's liquid and then smack it on a desk. Let me get my flux to redo that. Get it liquid and then smack it on a desk. Now, that kind of worked. Yeah, that's it. The guys, I think it's over. Um, Ooh, idea. Oh, there it goes. I'm back again. Right, so my thought is, solder doesn't stick to stainless steel. So I can just like that. Idea. I make a bridge there between it. And now I solder. Where's my flux? Like it's attached itself to the board. Like it's like attached itself to the board. Um, okay, I'm gonna pause the soldering for tonight. I don't know if anyone's still watching. I think we'll wait till next stream. I'm going to buy a desoldering whip between now and next stream. Like a desoldering pump. Between now and next stream, I'll properly clean the board off. Get rid of all of the stuff. The flux, that's what it's called. And for the rest of the stream, I'm gonna work on the API. Wow, I'm not doing this. I think the chips are still fine. I've not heard any cracking. There's not any smoke coming out of the chips or anything, so I think they're all fine. Yeah, everything looks fine. So I'm gonna real quick add one to my cart. Like this one. looks good. What's it got? Got some soldering, like desoldering wicks. And it comes with some copper braid. I will add that to cart. Yeah, my cart is now $40. Alright. Let me clean this stuff up and then we will do some actual development instead of struggling. Those are unused, this is used. I'm gonna keep that there. That's for the bin. Take this off if I can. Yep. Put that lid back on. Put that in there. Chuck the little isopropyl. We'll put the camera back up. That's the wrong position. There you go. I think like overnight, I'm just gonna have to leave it out like on a paper towel. Let it all drip off. Just gonna real quick test if I have killed the board by plugging it in. If it immediately starts getting hot, it means it's dead. There's power. It's not getting hot. We cooking, we fine. We are A-okay. Oh, it's getting a little tough. No, it's not, never mind. Yeah, okay. Should stay cool. We are okay. What am I gonna do? Yeah, well, I need to get a. I'll be back. I got a toothbrush. I'm gonna be so sad if it's not dead. It's not dead. It is. The board is still alive. I hope. I need to clean the flux off. Where's my isopropyl? This is not my toothbrush, by the way. This is a fresh one, specifically for cleaning flux. Look, I just spilled all that isopropyl all over my. It's on the paper towel. It's fine. I just like wipe it in the paper towel. Don't worry, the board is still alive. I haven't wasted your money. This is my isopropyl. I bought it. No, this is one I bought. I bought this one. This is the one you bought ran out, so this is a new one. This is full, basically. There you go, the flux is coming off now. So the toothbrush was fun. I don't know if you'll light here but that's what I did to the board. You kind of can't, it doesn't focus that little gray blodge. It's 4 pins soldered together. So I need a desoldering pump to remove that because I'm not skilled enough to remove it without one. So in like a week's time, that'll get here and then I will be able to, yeah. I'll be able to get rid of that and fix my soldering. Yeah, I did use your isopropyl, yes, and I emptied it, and now I have more. Wiping off all the isopropyl. Right. Why are you so bad at so I haven't soldered in like a year. I have not done this in a while. I did pretty alright for the most part. Like most of them are attached. It's just this one right here that I messed up. But besides that, it's fine. I'm brushing it. If a rosin flux out of here. Okay, my hands are sticky. I need to go wash those. Actually, I can just dry them off with paper towel. Never mind, I'm goaded. Okay, so I need to go throw all this in the bin. Because I know, soldering is a really hard skill to get good at. My Amazon card is $40. Dude, I don't need the I don't need the cereal to USB anymore. My cart is $25. Yippee. I don't buy my Amazon card for me. Yeah. Go back. Back chat. Buy your card if you give me $30. No. I'm not giving you $30 to pay for a $26 card. I clean my desk, then it's soldering, then it's software time. Cause ow, that's really hot. Yows. Yowza. Where did I put my phone? I don't actually know where I put it. Others. Um, hmm. Okay. I'm gonna drench this in isopropyl probably next stream. Because I didn't actually end up getting the flux off. What I ended up doing is spreading the flux around like a real. I liquefied the flux and then made it incredibly thin. So the board's just kind of a bit slimy now. Like a bit sticky, slimy feeling. It's fine. It's fixable. Okay, now message me on Discord if you start a fire. I am done soldering today. I'm gonna move this out the way. Put that over there. Put that there. I need like someone to finance my stuff. Fetch that. Okay. Do that. Yes, for one. All right. All right. My keyboard back. The desk is a little sticky. It's fine. That back. All right, awesome. I was gonna say something. I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, seen did that. Oh, that's my Amazon. Close that. Why is it not shuffling anymore? There you go. Yeah. So I have done some work since last time. We've got 3 APIs which are going to be used in the system. Game API, this is the only API games talk to directly. Renderer API and the system API. Renderer is all backend. Nothing is in the system API. I'm actually not going to work on stream because I don't want someone to be able to rebuild up a header that they can use and then run system functions. This needs to say like super duper closed source, because if that goes public, that's bad. This is bad if it goes public. Yeah, so first, yeah, I'll work on it. I know I said system API bad, but may as well start it. So, brain farting. I'm gonna start on the wrapper. I need an API for the. So I need a. Like a draw triangle function. I need it, and you need draw triangle. Let's do it. Void render draw. I'm gonna pull out my handheld API because I forget how to do this, and I need an example. Cool. This is the header. Yeah, okay, I remember how to do it. Okay, so API render no, that's not what I want to do. In the C file, which I'm in now. API to draw underscore triangle equals render draw triangle. Now that doesn't exist. The symbol doesn't exist because it needs to be in the header. Which in the header I go here. And I go void its name, which is draw triangle, and then anything it needs. Is that right? Yeah. And now anything with the header, now it should just be able to work. Like I just provide this header file. This is the system one, not the renderer one. This needs to come out of there. There. Why do you do that? Okay, there we go. Now I can do like the draw triangle function stuff. And it would work. So for renderer, it needs to do hashtag include GLES. Glass 3. ChatGPT, can you help me out for a moment? ChatGPT. Right. I have two APIs. One is a system API and handles the creation of a window. The other is a renderer API and handles all the class. How do I get the class on the GLSW window in the system? Go on, ChatGPT, help me out. I'm back. Okay, so I need to figure out how to do this. So, okay, how do I do this? ChatGPT is gonna help me out here. Let's put ChatGPT over. Okay, so I think we make a function under like rolled triangle. Or what? I'm confused. I forget how bad ChatGPT is. Let me go to Claude instead. I'm just talking to Claude now on stream. Okay. Okay, so first off I need like according to Claude at least. I've never done like GLES, so this is like all new to me. This is why I'm using Claude here. Yeah, so I need a... If I can even do draw triangles, I need this system functions of render underscore begin frame. Render begin frame. Go. I don't even. This is probably. Stop. Like a lot of these probably won't even get. What's it called? I don't need that. A lot of these won't even. Like I'm gonna cut them out. Like begin frame is not something that is gonna be called directly. Actually, no, that's not an internal function. No, that absolutely is one. That's not what I wanted. Alright, that's fine. I'm just leaving that. Okay, so I need to tell Julius. Never use. Oh, that's actually really easy. And render end frame. So this is just it would be EGL. Okay, so I need glass 3, so GL3, and include EGL slash other EGL? EGL, yes. Swap buffers? Yeah. Display. This. And I need to, for end frame, I need to import display. Void end frame. Play. I think it's like EGL surface. What's it called? Like, I don't actually know what it would be called. DPY? DPY. EGL display. I guess. And then what? EGL circuit? Yeah, and then circuit. Yep, there we go. So we just swap the buffers. EGL. The display first, yeah. Need to move this up here. Field display. Okay. EGL surface. And then API. And let me check this. Do I need to? Yeah, I do need. Oh no, that's that. I don't need to do that. It's just telling it which links to what. That's just lining up the symbols. And then this is where I would write what's. Yeah, okay. I can close that now. I know what I'm doing now. Yep. Okay. And here I need like a GL. Import EGL. GL no? GL view. What's the function called? I actually know what the function's called. GL viewport. GL viewport is not valid. Come on, call it. Why are you giving me back? Are the rest good? Like GL cleared, no. None of these are good GL. +3 is included. Game renderer. Yeah, I've got angle, yeah. Cool. Hello, Glennis Sage 502. Hello. How are you? You missed the soldering mess earlier. I was doing some soldering and made a... Did it terribly. Did it absolutely terribly. Ever give me a hybrid? Yeah, I did. It's just stream delay is really bad. My stream delay is just atrocious. GL 32 +2. Does that work? GL view, what? No. GL viewport. Here we go. Apparently it does exist. Like, it's showing up here. It does exist. Do I have any of the GL ones? Go away. Let me check, like, +3, +2, can I, like, Control F, GL viewport. You exist, why are you not here? You're right there. Right there, GL viewport. You're in the header. I don't include it here. Hashtag is, oh, do I have it the wrong way around? I know you have to do them a certain way around sometimes. GL viewport? Nope. Hashtag include. GLS3. GLS3. Right there. GL viewport. Why? Reload CMake. You right there. Why? It's in both. It's in both. GL viewport would exist. Why does it not? Right there. I don't know. Julius 3. GL 3. Can I get it here? Like GL report? No. GL report. That's not what I need. I don't. Where's my invalidate caches? File invalidate caches. Let me just restart. This usually fixes it. Still saying GL viewport doesn't exist. What do you mean build finished? It's an invalid function. Oh, I'm building the wrong thing. Render API. Build. Error. If I just change it to that, does that seem to fix it? Probably not. I'm just gonna put all the things in it that I need. So what? X, Y, width, height. Okay. So like what? Like 0, 0, green, width, screen height. Alright, yeah, like GL viewpoint is just not doing it. So like if I do like in, I'm just gonna hard code it to like an 8720, an 80, 720. If I build, yeah, like it's not declared in this scope. Yeah, so in render API, add library, yeah, +++. Angle directory is correct, right? Where is angle directory? What did I set that to? Set angle directory external slash. I've just lost where it was. Slash cmake. So cmake slash external slash angle. And then yeah. Header is there, right? Plus 2 GLT, yeah. I'm so confused. So confused. Like, it should work. I'm gonna like delete this and redo this. See if that wants to fix it. No, it doesn't. So I'm gonna like not ChatGPT. Claude is telling me to do this. It says it'll tell you where it is. Okay, angle include directory, see user documents, home menu, external angle include. External angle include, yeah. That's correct. Correct. Location. I'm so confused. I'm gonna try something. Hashtag include. Dot / external / angle / include / GLS2 GL2. Yeah, I need to reopen this. Control F GL U. Does it want the GL extensions? Oh, GL case sensitive. This I'm gonna replace. I'm gonna replace my stuff. So I want to replace. Let's do GLS3. GL3.h. Download. Throw that into there. Refactor overwrite. See if that fixes it. GL3.h. It does fix it. Okay, so I just have bad ones. Okay, now I need to pull the other ones too, so that's... I can delete GLES2, I can delete that. I don't need that. In the include, I need to include download through these. Refactor overwrite. Download. Yeah. Yes, refactor overwrite. Download. Yes, refactor overwrite. GL3 slash GL3. Woo! We did it, gang. I'm cooking. Okay, so now I need GL, clear, color. Yeah, just black. I want to clear both the color buffer and the depth buffer. Okay. Now I need to create shader. Void. We'll create shader. I have to look at what the main differences between like these are. See, no, I need to I don't want it to be void. I want it to be yeah, I guess probably shader constant character. The vertex data. I need another. Vertex data is here. Let's GL create shader, GL vertex shader. Perfect. It knows for me. Shader 1 vertex. I'm gonna make this vertex shader. And I'm gonna update the one at this one here. No. Yeah, compile the shader. Okay, so it gets all the vertex data, verts to a vertex shader, and it compiles the shader. I need to finish off this. This. Here, get shader IV, vertex shader, just that is success. If success, if no, not success. If not success. Yeah, sure, info on, yeah, sure. Almost like I'm looking at the doc, and it also has information from the documents. No point in log. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna print that, why not? Vertex, data, arrow. So that'll just pull from C Studio. Here. Yeah, I'll delete shader, but shader returns 0. Awesome. And then also the fragment shader, but the color. Fragment shader color, right? Yes, fragment shader color. Yeah, I knew it. I'm so smart. Fragment shader. Fragment shader equals gel shader, gel fragment shader. 1 not points. Yep. Yep. It. Oh my god. This is so easy. Check fragment. I should put this up here. Check fragment compile. Right, geo, get shader IV, did it in success, if not success, stop doing that. Character, geo, get shader, printer. Oh my goodness, it's so ahead of its time. I do actually also need to GL delete the text shader. In that circumstance. After that, I need to do the shader program, whatever that is. Shader program. I'll look this up. Shader program. Cool. Yeah, so I need all this back-end stuff so I can actually draw like triangles and stuff. Like I can't just jump straight into draw a triangle without actually having like shaders. Get a program. Program. Create program. Yeah. What was that doing? Geo create. Wow, the documents suck. When I say suck, I mean it takes a lot of load. It's an empty program object has a non-zero verb by which it can be referenced. Program is an object to which shader objects can be attached. To make it specify the shader objects, it will be like to create a program. It also provides me with shader characters, shaders, vertex, and parameter shader. When it's by the parameter shader, also be detached. Awesome. So this is the thing that actually runs the thing. Geo attach shader, but yep, vertex fragment, link program. Why am I running the underscore on these, by the way? I think that should be for the system API. Make it a bit nicer, yeah. Okay, yeah, back to linking programs. Now I want to check the link. Geo get program, yeah, so program, geolink status, success, if not success, get the info log. Stop doing that. Info log program. Find the info log, yep. And that's a print statement for the error. I want to move program to the end of that. Because it's the last thing created, you want to do in reverse order. And then shader cleanup. And then what? Geo detach shader for vertex shader for shader, and then delete the vertex fragment, and then return the program. That should be right. Yeah. I'm gonna change this to like 480. 72. Because that's the actual handheld resolution. Anyway, yeah, so then also I need, did I throw that in there? Yes, I need void create, is that what I called it? Yeah, create shader. And what did it have? These. Just yoink those. I just need to do like a destroy and Bind. Destroy shader, which will have shader view int program. Void. Bind data program. Yep, and then I throw all those into here. API create shader equals create shader. Why is that an error? Cannot assign type. What? Oh, I need to update this to render create shader. There we go, yeah. Underscore destroy shader and API find shader, and now I just need to add this actually in. This needs to be gel. By the way, yeah, okay, that's why it was erroring out. That makes sense. Okay, void destroy shader. Void find shader. GLU program GL delete program. So just create the shader. It creates a program which has the fragment and vertex shader. So it's like an yeah, okay. So it'd be like a triangle. Awesome. Render underscore destroy. Render underscore bind. Perfect. Okay, I've done all that. I can't actually test it because I don't have the system stuff done, but I can't do system stuff on stream because that's illegal. I think it's illegal. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to end stream because it is getting quite late for me. If anyone's still here, thanks for staying. Yeah. Cheerio. I always forget how to end these things. Bye.